Whether you're completely new to video editing or a seasoned professional, I am sure you have heard about the wonders of shooting at golden hour. Golden hour truly is a magical time to shoot video, and these hacks will really help you make the most of golden hour and take your videos to the next level. Number one, use the sun as a backlight, not a key light. The key light lights the subject's face, and the backlight lights the subject from behind. Your instinct might be to take the sun and use it as your key light, but at golden hour, the sun is going to cast that really nice light that gives your subject a halo and helps them stand out from the background. And one of the beauties of golden hour is that the rest of the sky is going to be illuminated enough to cast a soft, even key light. Number two, lower your aperture as much as possible. Golden hour is a great time to capture bokeh, and lowering your aperture is really going to help you capture that beautiful out of focus background. And number three, if you want to capture some really cool lens flare, find a sunbeam and point your lens right towards it. And there you have it. Those are some hacks for making golden hour even more amazing. Try these out today and hit subscribe for more video tips.